Imagine looking up at the night sky, past the familiar twinkle of stars and planets we know, to a world that's breaking all the rules. Out there, about 33 light years away, there's a planet that looks less like a planet and more like a colossal, ghostly comet hurtling through space. Welcome to GJ436b, the evaporating giant. This isn't your typical sci-fi fantasy. It's a real, bizarre world that has astronomers completely fascinated. Discovered back in 2004, GJ436b is a Neptune-sized planet. But that's where the similarities to anything in our solar system end. It orbits incredibly close to its star, a red dwarf completing a full year in just 2.6 Earth days. Imagine your birthday coming around every 3 days. This super tight orbit means it gets blasted with intense radiation, and that's where things get really weird. Scientists using the Hubble Space Telescope were stunned when they looked at this planet. They saw something they'd never seen before, a gigantic, puffy cloud of hydrogen gas surrounding the entire planet. And trailing behind it, a tail stretching for millions of miles. It's so big that if we could see it with our naked eye from Earth, this gas cloud would appear 15 times larger than the sun in our sky. It's a true celestial monster. So, what's happening here? The phenomenon is called atmospheric escape. The intense heat and radiation from the parent star are literally boiling off GJ436b's atmosphere. The star's powerful stellar winds act like a cosmic sandblast, stripping away the hydrogen gas and blowing it out into a magnificent, comet-like tail. Every single second, about 1,000 tons of its atmosphere are lost to space. It sounds like a lot, but don't worry. The planet isn't going to disappear overnight. Scientists estimate it has lost about 10% of its atmosphere so far, and has billions of years left before it is completely stripped bare. This spectacle has earned it the nickname, the Behemoth, or the Hairy Planet. The cloud is so enormous because hydrogen, the lightest element, isn't held tightly by the planet's gravity. When it gets energized by the star's radiation, it easily escapes, forming this massive, hazy shroud. The star's ultraviolet light makes this escaping hydrogen glow, creating an incredible, shimmering wake that we can detect from light years away. But the weirdness doesn't stop there. The surface of GJ436b is thought to be around 439 degrees Celsius or 822 degrees Fahrenheit. At that temperature, water should be steam, right? Well, here's the twist. Because the planet is so massive, its immense gravity crushes the water molecules together with such force that it remains solid, a strange form of matter called hot ice, or ice X. So you have this bizarre world with a surface of burning ice, all while its atmosphere is being blown away into a cosmic tail. Planets like GJ436b are a goldmine for understanding how planets evolve, especially those orbiting close to their stars. They show us the extreme conditions that can exist in the universe and provide a real-life laboratory for studying the life and death of planetary atmospheres. Oh many other evaporating giants are out there. Are they common? Could they eventually transform into something else entirely, like a barren rock core? The discovery of GJ436b's tail opens up a whole new way to find planets. By looking for these telltale hydrogen clouds around stars, we might be able to spot other worlds that are undergoing this dramatic transformation. It is a reminder that the universe is filled with wonders that are stranger and more beautiful than we could ever imagine. From a planet of burning ice to a celestial comet with a tail millions of miles long. GJ436b is proof that space is the ultimate frontier of discovery. What do you think? Is this one of the weirdest planets we've ever found? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this journey to a bizarre new world, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures into the cosmos. See you next time!